If you've ever wanted slushies or frozen drinks at home that actually come out so perfect and smooth, this is the ᗡ ITᵢ 6-in-1 slushie machine, and it works amazing. It has preset modes for things like slush, milkshake, frappe, frozen juice, and soft ice cream, so you can just pick a setting and let it run. It works so fast, and it's actually so easy. There's also a 10-level texture control, so you can make it more icy or more creamy depending on what you want. The jar is a BPA-free, high-impact material that's built for durability, and it stays clear over time. And the whole thing is designed to handle both simple and mixed drinks, including spike recipes if you're doing that. It also makes a decent batch size, about 50 ounces, so it's perfect for sharing. I tried making a piña colada and a vanilla soft serve ice cream, and both came out really smooth, really consistent, and everybody loved them. It's pretty straightforward to use it and clean it, and it runs really quietly while it works. I love this machine so much. It's really fun to make, and it'll impress all your party guests.